Hey girls, welcome to Christina Tremblay Fitness. Today is cardio arms. You guys have requested a lot of these. I have some old videos, but we're gonna revamp them. So we've got some new moves in here for you guys, but all you need is a light set of weights or no weights at all. This is to come down like you're about to do a jump squat, but you're just gonna come up on your tippy toes and come up. And this is just gonna warm your body up. Just give me a couple right here. Right, more. Woo! So forward, out, and up. Down, forward, out, and up. Really think about isolating your arms and your core the entire time. Do not let your arms drop. Since we don't have weights, we want to utilize high reps and keeping those arms completely engaged. Whew. All right, you're gonna give me 10 more right here. 5 more. And you're not gonna drop your arms when we're done. I got something else for you. All right, 3 more. All right, 1 more. All right, now that your arms are really warmed up, we're just gonna reach out to the side. So I want you to reach like you're about to touch the wall, and then back. You're really gonna work your obliques right here. And just let all the energy flow out of those fingertips. All right, 5 more. Keep breathing. 2 and 1. Now, don't drop those arms. Bring them up in prayer and put your elbows together. And we're going to pulse up. Right here, it's really going to work the triceps. So just keep pulsing up. I want those elbows up. I really want you to feel it. So elbows together and arms together. Seems like a little move, but it's really going to burn it out. All right, give me 10 more. Go and grab the weight. I'm going to do step curl, but we're going to do it up. So I want both arms up. I want you to squeeze in and then go out straight. And you're going to do 30 right here. Keep those arms tight. Keep that core tight. This is a really light workout, so I know you guys can do it. Squeeze those biceps, keep those arms up straight like a T. Keep it up, this is really working those shoulders. All right, give me 10 more. 5, 4, 3. I'm shaking. I know you guys are too. 3, 2, 1. Don't drop them. Don't drop them. We're going to go overhead. So squeeze it up, and we're going to stretch out those obliques. So don't drop it. Give those shoulders a rest, but we're really gonna stretch it out. more here. All right, don't drop those arms. We're gonna bring them. Bring them in front. We're gonna go all the way down, all the way up for a quick little bicep curl. Right here. Squeeze it at the top, release it down. I know y'all's arms have to be shaking. Mine are shaking. Go down, squeeze it when you come up. These are just lightweight, so really squeeze it when you get to the top. Just a few more here. You're doing good. Keep that core engaged, shoulders back, and keep engaging in those muscles. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Weights. So, I want elbows together, hands together, palms together, facing each other, and I just want you to pulse up. So don't let them drop down here. I want them in a straight line, and I want them going up. A little bit different with a weight. I know you can do this though. Keep that core engaged. Really press up. All right, keep going. Just a few more. Keep going. Whew. All right, 10 more. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go up straight, and I just want little arm circles forward right here. All right, 5 more. Keep that core engaged. All right, now we're going backwards. You're really gonna feel it. All right, 5, 4, 3, oh, hold on, 2, 1. We're gonna do some plank work. I want you up in bear pose, which is a flat back, and then we're gonna walk forward and then walk back. Walk forward and walk back. All right, you got it, girls. Let's do it. These little primal movements really work the whole body. All right, you can just give me 5 more here. Two more. 1 more. Woo! Good. You guys are doing really good. All right, now we're gonna do and we're gonna go up in the plank, and we're gonna bring our feet towards us. And I want one leg at a time coming to you. Whew. Just 30 seconds right here. Keep that core engaged. Keep those arms tight. Keep going, girls, you got it. All right, 5 more. One more. Ooh, release it. Ooh. We're gonna go down on our backs. Make sure your back is pressed into the mat. And I want you to pull up your legs, cross them, and we're gonna go out, punch, and then cross over, and then back out, and then punch. All right, 5 more. Belly to spine. Now bring it up, and we're just gonna reach with our weights. Keep going, girls. It's just like a mountain that needs to be climbed. We can get there just one step at a time. A few more. Woo! Oh my gosh. Hug those legs in. Oh yeah. That was good. That was a great, short, quick workout. Woo! All right, give yourself a big hug, squeeze those legs in. All right, and then roll yourself up. Woo! All right, stretch it out here. Just a little stretch. The other side. Not knock my mic off again. All right, now go up. Stretch out those triceps. You really work those. The other side. Woo. You can also pair this with one of my other arm workouts. You want to use this as a warm-up video and then go into my weight training. It's be perfect for that. But I wanted something for my beginner girls who wanted something gentle, but still having a burn. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next workout.